This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Python 3 and Homebrew are ready, then create an isolated environment. Open Terminal, run brew install Python if Python 3 is missing. Once installed, make a virtual env with Python 3 mvenv and activate it using sourcevenv/bin/activate. This isolates packages and avoids permission errors. Once done, update pip with pip install upgrade pip so installs use the latest resolver. Make sure the venv prompt appears, because subsequent installs must target this environment to keep your system clean. Now install Jupyter into the active venv with pip install Jupyter or pip install Notebook if you prefer the classic interface. This ensures kernels run inside the env. After install, start it by typing Jupyter Notebook. Terminal prints a local URL and token. Your browser usually opens automatically. If you need a specific port, add port 8888. And for remote or headless use, add no browser, then copy the URL with token to your browser. Make sure Python paths match, otherwise kernels will fail to launch. Finish by creating a notebook in the browser, choose New Right Arrow Python 3, and save files in a dedicated project folder so imports stay simple. If you want the venv explicitly available, run python m ipykernel install username equals venv, and then select that kernel in the UI. If something goes wrong, try reinstalling ipykernel or confirming which Python and pip are active with which Python 3 and which pip 3. Restart terminal and the notebook kernel. Most path and dependency issues resolve that way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.